Hi, hello. Thank you for taking the time to be with us today. We are eager to hear about your success story. Could you please tell us your name, your educational background, and your journey with MediPharm Solution has unfolded?
Thank you very much, Versa, for this opportunity. I'm ever grateful for MediPharm Solution, not only to shape up not only they shaped up my career, but in the process, became great friends with Abhishek as well. Um, to starter, I hello everyone. I'm Rahul Kashyap. By profession, I'm a veterinarian. I have done MBA as well, and I did not only the basic training courses with Medipharm, but the advanced one, the DPS one as well, where we went in detail about signal management, reporting, um, and all those aggregate reports. To begin with, I literally have no information, no understanding of how drug safety, how pharmacovigilance worked. And MediPharm solution not only just gave me the basic foundation to move forward, but they helped me along the path, like how to approach not only the job search, but like how to prep yourself. I mean, there are various professionals who join MediPharm Solution, and they are at different facets of their professional life. So it's not like that everybody needs a hand-hold coaching, how to approach the job, how to present yourself during interview in spite of that. And this is what amazes me, that how Abhishek or MediPharm comes to the conclusion that like they literally take care of every strata, every different professional, no matter what kind of experience you bring in. They treat them like, okay, you know what? Abhishek goes on a call. Different other administrative officers from MediPharm, they go on a call. They try to understand first where you stand, what are your life goals are, what are your professional goals are, and according to your understanding, they not only guide you, they not only it's sort of a whole philosophy that where they're not just not interested in like, you know what, I trained you. That's it. Thank you very much. Now you're going to get a job. Thank you. No, I think it's a pretty much a lifelong relationship where MediPharm will step in at every conjuncture of your life whenever you need something. And I have a few great examples, like, you know, from my first job when I was just going through interviews and how just a night before Abhishek got on a phone call, and Dr. Pitti, he just walked me through about the different narrative writing, about each and everything. He literally handhold me. He gave me, and I come across as a person, and I have a fair bit of experience as well. And still at that particular time, because it just requires at that moment, you require that some sort of a SME, subject matter expert, to hold your hand and guide you through. And that's what Abhishek did it. In fact, when on board, after onboarded, because Medipharm does a great job, Varsha. It does an amazing job to provide you a simulation environment, how Argus works, how does different tab works, the basic structure of it. And then when you are on a job, in fact, if you are ever struck, I mean, there's an amazing team, not only Dr. Pitti, but all those other people, they will chime in. They will sort of like guide you through your the first few months, like me, let's say first 1 or 2 months of your job, if you ever have any kind of question. So, in a nutshell, now having spent so many years in drug safety and pharmacovigilance field, I can tell you with certainty, there will be plenty others who can train you, but there are very few who would stand with you, who would guide you through. And even though after so many years, I have nothing but to say good things about it. So, I mean, Varsha, please shoot me if you have any other questions. Otherwise, I can go on and on about Dr. Pitti and Medipharm Solution, that um, how much they help and how much they guide you. That's insane. To invest yourself into a student's life, to make sure that they know every student's requirement. That's the strongest point of Dr. Pitti, if you see, or that's the strongest suit of Medipharm solution.
Thank you for sharing your success story. We wish you success and all the best for your future.
Oh, thank you very much. Just to give a perspective, I have started as a simple case processor. And I have worked as a signal management. A professional. I have worked on aggregate report, and it was not possible unless like I had a very good guidance. And that guidance is what makes Medipharm solution different than so many others. And I have no hesitation in recommending Medipharm solution to anyone at any point of your pharmacovigilance journey. Because if you are a simple drug safety associate and you want to step forward, I think MediPharm Solution, I don't know what the course is now named, but they have a professional advanced course where Abhishek walks you through the entire SMP, RMPs, AOSC, reconciliation at that level where you can prep yourself at least at associate director or director level. And that's kind of confidence you need it. And it just doesn't come. I mean, sometimes people say that, hey, if you work for a quite a number of period of years, then you will just get it. But why can't you just shoot your career or jumpstart your career if there is such kind of professionals available who can put your career in a right track? I mean, if you're a drug safety associate, go for an advanced professional course where you will get a hands-on experience on signal management, RMPs, that like a top level, that how and where the directors work. So I feel that Medipharm solution has got every basis covered, not only for someone newcomer who just join in, but for the people or seasoned professional like me, even if I want to go ahead. To be honest, like I did the basic course, Varsha, and after that, after a few months, when I wanted to get move ahead in my professional journey in drug safety and pharmacovigilance realm, I took the professional courses, and that gave me the confidence. So I think Medipharm solution has covered all the bases, and all I can say that the future aspirants, all the best, and you are in a right hand. And the best part is that how Dr. Pitti will he brings pros- future colleagues as well. He'll get in touch. Like for example, he put me in touch with few others who are in the market, just to understand, just to get the feel, and that is invaluable.
Great. Thank you so much for sharing your story, success story.
Thank you, Varsha. Anytime.